morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, as you all know that our chapter 10, occupations, is completed. Okay. So children, now today we will discuss objective type question answers of chapter 10. Okay. So let's start the class with A section. Okay everyone. Take the correct answers. First question is, the most important occupation of our country is A. Farming, B. Mining, C. Teaching. Answer is A. Farming. Okay children, everyone take on A. Farming. Okay. Now children come to question number 2. Rubber is made from A. Sunflower, B. Latex, C. Gum. Children, answer will be B. Latex. Okay. Now question number 3. The main occupation of people living in coastal areas is A. Farming, B. Fishing, C. Dairy farming. Answer is fishing. B. Fishing. Okay, student. Now everyone come to question number 4. Cooking oil is obtained from A. Flowers, B. Vegetables, C. Oil seeds. Answer will be C. Oil seeds. Okay. Now everyone come to question number 5. Paper is a product of A. Cotton, B. Wood, C. Jute. Answer is B. Wood. Okay everyone, tick on B. Wood. Okay, now everyone come to the B section, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to choose words from the box. Words are given: wood, coastal, farming, occupation and sugarcane. These are the words. Come to the question number 1. The work done by us to earn money is called an occupation. Write here occupation. Okay everyone, you will write occupation. The work done by us to earn money is known as occupation. Okay. Now come to the next question. Dash is the occupation of a large number of people living in villages. Dash is the occupation of a large number of people living in villages. Farming. Answer will be children farming. Okay. Farming is the occupation of a large number of people, those who live in villages. Okay. Now come to next question. Paper is made from dash. Student, paper is made from wood. Okay. You will write wood. Okay. Fishing is the main occupation of people living in the dash areas. Answer will be children coastal. Okay. Fishing is the main occupation of people living in coastal areas. Okay. Now come to fifth question. Sugar is made from dash. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Okay. Right here sugar cane. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Okay. Sugar is made from sugar cane. Now children. Now everyone come to next question. C section. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. Farming is done in cities. False statement. This is totally false statement. Okay children. Write here F. False. Cattle rearing is dependent on mining. Cattle rearing is dependent on mining. This is also false statement. Okay children. Cattle rearing depends on farming, not on mining. So this statement is false. Okay. Water is not needed for the irrigation of crops. Children, water is not needed for the irrigation of crops. This statement is also false. Water is needed for the irrigation of crops. Okay. Next question. Jute is used for making ropes and bags. Children, this statement is true. Jute is used for making ropes and bags in our country. Okay. People cut wood to make paper. Children, this statement is also true. People cut wood to make paper as well as furniture. Okay. So this statement is also true statement. Now everyone come to the D section. Match the following. You have to match. Okay. First is jaggery. Okay, you will match it with sugar cane. Okay, jaggery is prepared from the sugar cane. Second is farming. Okay, children match it with food grain. Okay. Third is iron. Okay, match it with bicycle. Okay, everyone, match it with bicycle. Fourth is fish. All of you match it with coastal areas. And fifth is cotton. Okay, match it with cloth. So children, that's all for today. In our next class, we will discuss long question answer of this chapter, chapter 10. Till then, children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye and thank you everyone.